Welcome to the Chiefs Arena Keep or Sell Defenders Edition. I'll go through all Kaizer Chiefs defenders except the new signings. Firstly, Given Msimango, for me, he's a keep. He stepped up when Rushin Totally got injured last season, played really well. So I'd keep him. He's not going to start, of course, but he's a great backup option there in that center back position. Next, Rushin Totally, definitely a keep start. We're talking about the national team asset here, so no debate. Rushin Totally keep and start. Inacio Miguel, definitely a keep start. Great player, great leader. My only concern is the number of yellow cards he gets, but definitely a keep and start. Next, Zicha Kwinika, who recently got a 1-year contract extension, which took many of us by surprise. I mean, the guy only played 5 games last season, and that was only towards the end of the season when we had an injury crisis at the back. We had Rushin Totally, Given Msimango, Inacio Miguel all out at some point, so one may say we had no choice. He was our only option, hence he ended up playing those 5 games. And fair play, the guy did well. I think he played well. And interestingly, shockingly, Zicha Kwinika is one of Kaizer Chiefs' top earners. If not the top earner, the highest paid player. This is according to multiple sources: Sports Plus, Gauteng News, The South African, etc. So my concern here is, how do you give one of your top earner who is not playing a contract extension at the age of 31? Like, why don't you take that money and invest it on new players? Because Zicha Kwinika is definitely not going to play if all Kaizer Chiefs defenders are fit. He's not going to play. So what's the use of keeping him? Releasing him would also reduce the wage bill. So for me, this is mad business by Kaizer Chiefs. So for me, Zicha Kwinika is definitely a sell. Next, Aiden McCarthy. Keep, not a starter for now. But yeah, a keep. Great option, great backup option in that left back and left center back position. So Aiden McCarthy is a keep. Bradley Cross, Bafana Bomlu, looked much better when he was playing as a left center back. He looked horrible when he was playing as a left back, so I'd keep him. I'd keep him as a backup option to Rushin Totally on that left center back position. So Bradley Cross, keep. Bongani Sam, get out, mate. This is one of the worst Kaizer Chiefs signings in history. So Bongani Sam is definitely a sell. Next, Happy Mashiane only played 7 games last season. Was unfortunate with injuries. I want Mashiane to play. He's a great talent. I believe he still has something to offer at Kaizer Chiefs, but for now I'd loan him out to get game time, get more minutes. So Happy Mashiane out on loan. Riff Rosler recently signed a 3-year contract extension. Great news for me. This is a keep start. He starts ahead of Mnyane all day. So Riff Rosler is definitely a keep and start. Last one, Dylan Solomons. For me, this is a sell. I think this is a sell. He was providing something different, to Riff Rosler. He has speed, energy. But now that we've signed Chabiso Munyane, I don't think he's going to play. I think the competition will be between Chabiso Munyane and Riff Rosler. So for me, Dylan Solomons is a sell. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.